Hey there, y'all. It's been a little over a month and almost 4,000 miles since my 2020 Volvo V60 cross country got delivered, so I figured I'd provide a quick update. I'm at a bit of a different filming location today. I'm a little far from home, so I thought it would add a little unique touch compared to where I normally film videos. This vehicle is denim blue with a blonde interior. The denim blue is Volvo's regular dark blue, and the blonde is Volvo's term for a white beige color. I do have these Kumo tires. It came with Michelin's, but I hit a pothole a week after I got the car, and I ended up dropping the rim, putting it down. So there's that little scuff, but otherwise the vehicle is in great cosmetic shape. Got proximity on all four doors and folding mirrors when the car locks. This has all the safety systems the Alltrack had, so automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitor, front and rear parking sensors, the automatic parallel parking known as Park Assist Pilot. But it's got a lot of extras too, such as the power driver and passenger seats, two-person memory, and heated cooling and massaging for the front seats. The massaging is one of the coolest things about this car because not many have it. And you've also got Harman Kardon audio. If you've been in a Volvo since the XC90 that came out in 2016, this interior is identical with your few buttons there, similar radio screen, and similar steering wheel with your cruise control and pilot assist, semi-autonomous, your distances, as well as your voice commands if you use native, and your tuning. And you tilt the button start. $40,606 miles. This does have automatic AC as well as clean zone, which is an air filtration system. Do have this nice leather dashboard as well as this wood trim called a linear line deco. Different drive modes. This one does have a Polestar tune that was not added from the factory. It was added aftermarket, like those 20-inch wheels. So the roof rails y'all saw, the Polestar tune, the 20-inch wheels, a rubber mat in the way back, which I can't show right now, and this sunglass holder, which I'm wearing the glasses right now because it's sunny. All those were added by the prior owner, and those were all things I would have wanted to add to this car. The wheels, not so much, but especially like the Polestar and the sunglass holder. When I put this in iMovie, I can put the sticker at the end of the video showing the standard equipment, but you do have heated rear seats as well as this nice touchscreen for the controls. If you don't get cross-country, you get a cheap-looking storage tray and two basic physical buttons for heated rear seats. And this does have the Napa leather with different seat extensions. So you just hit the tab on the side of your seat. You can turn it on. So you can see the seat is kind of moving up a bit, so that's the massage working. And just hit the tab, and you can turn it off. So let's hop in the back. This also has a panoramic roof. No leaks like the Alltrack had, thankfully. That was honestly a big reason I got rid of the Alltrack, was because it was out of warranty. It had 76,000 miles on it. Those have 72,000 mile warranties, and the dealer was being pretty difficult about repairs, such as keeping it a while, being delayed with repair orders. So I just needed to go to a new make, and with Volvo's certified unlimited mileage warranty, the great price, this was almost 20 grand off its original sticker in 2020, and it had $36,697 upon purchase. And just uniqueness, this is a really nice car. Really nice rear cup holders. They look flimsy, but they're actually pretty strong. Got pockets. I can still fit up fine. This is a position I have for tall people like myself. Got about an inch or two of headroom, but I do have a shorter torso. And the newer Volvos make this power port two USB-Cs, but I put in that dash cam charger from the Alltrack, so rear passengers have USBs. I'll probably be using that back seat while I'm on my trip. And I can't show the cargo area right now for reasons, but it does have a cover, it does have a rubber mat and a pop-up grocery bag holder, and it's also got foot activation for opening and closing. Capless fuel filler, 91 is recommended. I did throw 87 in here a little bit, but overall rating was still 91. I'm trying to always put 92 and up in this car, especially with the Polestar tune. And one last thing before I stop, the Jafarian front plate, that's the dealer that this came from up in Massachusetts near the New Hampshire line. I really appreciate the work they did for me to get this done. Traveled almost 1,200 miles to get to home. And lastly, let me just show the touchscreen real quick. You do have your heads-up display, which is flashing because of how the camera works. It has a front camera too, which is really nice, as well as side cameras, which are kind of hard to tell, but like when it's really bright out, you can see it better. So yep, all the safety systems. When I started up the car, I believe that all popped up. And then just another way to like see your average fuel economy. CarPlay, which I almost always have on, it appears on the lower half of the screen. So yeah, I've been very happy with this car. I'm really glad I got it. I do wish fuel economy was a little better. The premium's a little annoying, but otherwise, nothing but positive things to say. I've been extremely happy with this car. I've driven it a lot, as y'all have seen, and I look forward to making more memories with it. Also, it's got an auto hold, which has become one of my favorite features. You basically don't have to put your foot on the brake once you're at a stoplight. So when you're stopped, the start-stop kicks in, and you don't have to worry about keeping your foot down for a while. All right, well, that concludes the update on my 2020 Volvo V60 Cross Country. I appreciate y'all watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.